Alright guys, I'm doing an impromptu Wawa sandwich food review. I got their classic cheesesteak. Hoagies are $6 right now. And I'm waiting for my friend to come out of the airplane. So, ooh, this looks excellent. Woo! Philly cheesesteak from Wawa. I did provolone cheese with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, garlic aioli, and what else? I forgot. Price point was $6, so they're on sale right now, and that's why I got it. Calorie count. All right, let's get into this. Unless I didn't get a calorie count. That's a solid sandwich. The meat is juicy. The bread is nice and toasted. That garlic aioli really adds a good garlic kick to it that I really like. Here's the meat. Yeah, that's good. Hey now. It's juicy to the point where the bread is almost getting soggy, but because it's toasted, it didn't. Alright, you can see right there where the bread is thinner. It is getting soggy. See that? Of course, some of that juice was from the tomato. So, I know lettuce tomato is not your standard on a cheesesteak, but in New York, at one of my favorite delis, the cheesesteaks there, they always put lettuce tomatoes on them. So yeah, I know, not your classic Philly cheesesteak, but nonetheless, this is a very good sandwich. It's got a big size to it. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, easy now. Like, yeah, very, very big. That's excellent. Alright. If I wanted to get mushrooms, which I love, on cheesesteaks, that would have been extra money. And I'm cheap. I was thinking of trying one of the other sandwiches. I never tried their pulled pork sandwich. What do you guys think? Have you had it before? Do you like it better than the cheesesteak? What would you have gotten if you were in my predicament? That's good. Oh yeah. I also want to try their pizza, but it's a bit pricey. Have you guys tried their pizza? What do you guys think if you've tried it? Right now, I have a 30% off coupon till the 21st for their pizza. So I might try it. They have a 14-inch, 16-inch. So I got like 3 days to do this. All right, there's a few more bites. I wonder if I could do double garlic aioli. And what cheese would you guys have gotten? Last bite. Kind of tasty. So good. I'm eating up all the crumbs. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this food review. My friend is off the plane. As always, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. And I'm out. Deuces. Look at that guy. He just jumped the thing.